Part 2. She also chose a yellow, a pale blue, and a red and black flowered sunback costume. Then her mind began to wander from the subject at hand. I believe I'll invite Mr. and Mrs. Sakamaki to dinner this evening, she told herself. They probably know many Polynesian legends. They might be able to remember one that has to do with water or sleep or death. She hurried to the telephone and called the Hawaiians. Both were delighted to accept the invitation and arrived promptly at 7 o'clock. When Nancy brought up the subject of the legends, Mr. Sakamaki said, "It's possible that the legend about Pele, the sleeping goddess of the volcano, may help you. According to the islanders, Pele now sleeps a good deal and awakens only once in a while to produce a volcano. But in ancient times, she was very active. Some 10,000 years ago, while trying to find a permanent home on Oahu Island, she built two mountain peaks, Cocoa Head and Cocoa Crater, from a great crack she caused in the Kulu Range. The legend goes on to say that the goddess was completely satisfied and went to sleep on the island. However, other stories are told that she sleeps in Kealua Crater on Hawaii Island, but awakens to put on a fiery display at nearby Mauna Loa. When dinner was over and everyone had gathered in the living room, Mr. Sakamaki asked if the Drews would mind returning on their television to the newscast to hear the weather forecast for the next day. Nancy turned on the television set and tuned it to the proper channel. The telecast had barely started when an announcer electrified the Drews with a news bulletin which he said had just been received by the station. "Word has come," he began, "of a plane in trouble over the Pacific. It was one which was chartered by a group of students from Emerson College." "Oh, Dad!" Nancy cried out fearfully. "That's the plane Ned and Dave and Bert are on." "Oh, no. That's the end of chapter 4. It looks like we're on a cliffhanger. We'll have to wait till next week to find out what happens to Ned, Bert, and Dave."